Ciiko cia ica ikuhi kuria maabithaa borithi makoretwo makiuragana na mwao kwiruta muoyo nicio icungiriirie mathomo kuri maabithaa ugitiri hindi ya giikaro kiria gigwikinyitio ni munini wa munene wa borithi ya wathani matuura hamwe na arigitani a Thibitari wa Chiromo matongoretio ni Dagitari Franklin Jenga kuria mekunyitanire na makiria ma maabithaa a borithi ya matuura 60 niguo kumahe mathomo megi mathina ma meciiria na uria mundu angihota gwetha kihonia. Kuringana na Dagitari Franklin Jenga uria ni mutaaramu wa mathina ma kimeciiria augite riri ni ihinda ona maabithaa borithi makorwo magitikira kwiyaria kuona gutire mundu utangigumirwo ni thina wa meciiria.
Hii ambayo tumeichukua ni hatua ya kwanza kuelekea ile njia ama ile hatma ambayo ni kuelewana kwamba haya magonjwa ya kiakili ni sharti yaangaziwe ipasavyo. Dagitari Jenga akiuga kuringana na mawira maria maabithaa ya borithi makoragwo mehokeirwo mamu ma mawira macio ni makoragwo magicangira thina wa meciiria kurio. Kukiwa na ukosefu wa usalama kama ni Dusit, American bombing ama hata haya mambo ya Al-Shabaab, wale ambao sisi tunawategemea wawe mstari wa mbele ni hawa ndugu zetu na dada zetu.
Muoroto munene wa mathomo maya ni kurutithania wira na maabithaa borithi kuona nao no andu tari angi na uguo nao ni mabatie kuheo mweke wa kwiyaria. Thibitari wa Chiromo ukiranira kunyita itemi hari kumateithiriria niguo kuhurana na mathina matiganite ma meciiria.
In partnership with NPSC, the Presidential Advisor's role and other partners, we are happy to report that the command of the National Police Service is spearheading life-changing initiatives in normalizing the conversations on matters mental health.
Police officers tufunguke, and that has been the call, the clarion call, that the first step towards addressing matters of mental health is tufunguka and talk about it.
Munini wa munene wa borithi ya wathani matuura akiuga ni megwika uria wothe mangihota niguo na maabithaa borithi mateithike na makiria kumatwarira mathomo tamaya kuona thina wa meciiria ti undu ubatie gwikirirwo muhuthia.
Mental issues within the police is not a disciplinary issue. It's not a HR issue. It's a sickness which can be treated. And we have instructed our commanders, the ones we see here and those who are outside, and the Inspector General has given a clear guidelines that any officer who is sick or who has some mental issues, he or she will be able to be brought to these facilities.
Hari andu aria makoragwo makiamukira urigitio wothe kumana na kugumirwo ni thina wa meciiria ona kana aria makoragwo magitwarwo ceceni-ini cia gucenjia mitugo hari gicunji kia 100 gicunji kia 60 ni makoragwo magicokerera maundu maria maratuma mateithio kimeciiria.
Thank you very much.
Kiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.